I think we're live. I think we're live. I think we are live. Whoa. With a $2.40 XRP. Well, it's $2.38, but I'm like, I think it's $2.39. I'm like, you know what? It's going to hit it in any second. I might as well just open up a stream. Holy shit. I don't even know what to say anymore. I don't even want to stream for long. I just wanted to quickly bring to y'all's attention, to everybody that's here, that we just hit $2.40 per XRP. Boys, it's just a few of y'all in the chat because I just posted a video, but then it was 2.35, and I could not believe my eyes that I literally just saw a $2.40 XRP. So I had to just come here real quick, say hi to everybody, say what on the green earth is happening right now to our coins. Boys, this is literally the craziest day for crypto I have ever seen. Ever. And I've been around for a long time, but I have never seen something as crazy as this. So I've been saying for a while, right, that once XRP goes, is going to be a quick run to $2.75 because there's no real resistance. I said that before we even crossed $1.95 or something like that. But now that I'm actually seeing it, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, this is literally the craziest period I've ever seen for crypto. XRP has literally flipped USDT. It just did it. It just flipped USDT. Boys. It literally just flipped freaking Tether. No way this is happening to us. Oh my God, it just flipped Tether. By the way, if you're wondering why I sound like a little zombie, it's 5 a.m. right now, all right? Why am I doing a stream? Because, boys, I have never seen anything like this. So, oh, my days, boys. Again, we're still expecting, by the way, for anybody asking, we're still expecting crazy things. Mostly just this $2.75, right? 2.75 is the next target to watch for all of us. Because that's basically the highest weekly close ever. Just now, by the way, we had the second highest weekly close ever at $2.30, which was a crazy rush in a very short amount of time. But right now, we're aiming for $2.75. Then again, right, on the BTC pair, as I've stated now a few times, we still have a lot of room for growth. And that's where things get kind of iffy-wiffy, because on the monthly chart for XRP, it always does bad the next month, right? But we don't have any one of these open right now. Let me show you on the month. It always does bad the next month, but right now, it kind of looks as if that pattern has popped, and XRP is just going to go absolutely freaking ballistic from here. And I'm saying there's more validity to that claim because versus Bitcoin, the real altcoin season hasn't started yet, and basically starts when we are up a few more 100%. I mean, we could even right now gain do like a 4x from here, and it really wouldn't even be that odd. Bro joined back in on the ride. Weren't you sleeping? Bro, you think I'm asleep? It's 5 a.m., bro. You think I'm sleeping right now? Tron says, I'm amazed. I get back on my phone and things are going back up. Brothers, I literally have never seen something as crazy as what we're seeing right now. By the way, if you're wondering about it, let me quickly go ahead and find this. Here we go. Actually, it was in my front of my face. It's 5 a.m. boys. Cut me some slack, right? Our $250 is right now in $3.6 thousand worth of profit. I opened some new trades, by the way. Here's how they are doing, which is kind of funny. I opened them. There's a video I made, but instead of posting the video, I decided to stream for a little bit because, well, I mean, you can see why, right? XRP, it's at about $52,000 worth of profit, maybe. So we should cash out some more, by the way. 300. Why am I doing that? Well, to prove to people that it's okay to cash some out along the process, because you never know where things are going to end up. So over time, we've already cashed at about 15,000 US dollars on just $2,000 we put in. We've got about $1,200 left. So why have I done that? Well, because if you think about it, right, it's kind of okay. We put $1,200 in. It's right now worth 37,000, right? Because we already cashed about 15. If it now goes back down to zero, which it could, right? I'm just saying it could. I don't think so, but it could. Then at least we made ourselves 15 bands. So why am I streaming? Because I just wanted to see maybe the price is going to skyrocket to like $2.50 or do something even more crazy. I just had to be here for a little bit and warn everybody, $2.40 is what we're seeing right now. I mean, at some point we are due for a drop. This has been going way too exponential, and this is what I warn people of. I'm not a big fan of this, right? This is where things get stressful. We've gone from $1.90 to $2.40 in a day. Obviously, the higher the prices go, the more pumps like this that are warranted, but going up 30% in like 8 hours, this is where things get scarier and scarier. I know we all have our targets of, you know, 1,000, whatever, like $10, $20 per XRP for the cycle, but we're going too fast, too high, too quickly for it to be really sustainable. I mean, it can just stay here and it's fine. Don't get me twisted. I'm just saying it's going really freaking fast. I'm getting more and more afraid right now that a crash is going to wipe out a lot of people. Even though if we look at the next few months, we'll do amazing. Don't get it wrong. But the short term, some people can't handle all this. We got Charlie saying, I sold 10K due to financial issues earlier this year. What can I do to try and make it back? What trade should I go for? Well, what I'm doing is just long in all the freaking alts because I believe we're in a good position to just max out on that. $2.43. Matter of fact, $2.44. Let's just hit $2.44 per XRP. Holy shit. You know what the craziest thing is? It's not really looking like it's stopping anytime soon. Suburban says, thank you for your devotion, staying up all night. I won't stay up all night. I actually just sleep the mornings away. It's all good. I guess from that perspective, stay up all night. You know what the craziest thing is? Nowhere does it feel like a nice entry anymore because we're already up so much. But the problem is there's a good chance that XP would just keep on rocking all the way towards 275, right? Because even just now, I was like, oh, should I just buy more at $2.35? I'm like, no. Right? But just before that, I thought, should I buy more at like $2.27? I was like, no. Then I was thinking, should I buy more at $2.17? Before that, I was like, no. Because it's too high. And it just keeps on going. Right now at 243, I keep thinking, man, it's actually way too high. There should be some sort of crash, right? We should go at least back to $2.26 or something. I have a little breather. But it just keeps on going. Anyway, I will remind everybody, if you're seeing life-changing amounts of money right now, maybe take some profits. But ultimately, man, I'm just watching this with both my eyes wide open. I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. I mean, I've been bullish on XRP for such a long time, but even this is just surreal to me. 3-bar play. I'll just give you a little like for that. Crashing coming. I mean, if we're being honest, like what is my expectation? I would say, oh, it looks like it should get one. But I mean, it's happened before that you get such long periods of just crazy gains in a row. But usually it's a bit further into the bull market. Then again, boys, I'm being honest with you, right? The trend for XRP is something that's been unprecedented. Like right now, the search results are basically way higher than crypto is, and it's getting to the levels of freaking Bitcoin. But I think perhaps it can actually overtake the search results for Bitcoin here. So my point being that this trend that we're seeing right now, the amount of talk over on Twitter, etc., is so high. There's literally a chance that this is right now the most hyped up, I think it is. I think it's the most hyped up cryptocurrency in the entire world right now. Maybe for that reason, it's just going to go on a bit more of a rampage before eventually catching a break. But maybe that break is just way further than we thought. I mean, I already thought at $2 that we have to fall some down a bit, but it just keeps going, right? And so when I said we go to $2.75 uninterrupted, boys, I did not think it was going to be this uninterrupted, right? We set that back at like what, $1.80? 2 days ago? 2 days ago? Oh my Lord, is this crazy. We overtook freaking Tether. A lot of people were shorting XRP. Every single person who did that got absolutely wrecked. Holy shit. Huh? Boys. Or men, I should say. Hey, where are all y'all watching from right now? We got about 1,000 people in. We got only 26 likes. Everybody, right now, we all have a tradition. The moment you enter this live room, you got to be instant on that like. I want to see always at least, the moment I start up a stream, we need to be at least at like 500. If everybody watching this right now presses that button, we're instantly at 500. Everybody, don't be greedy, right? Little scroungy mouth. You know, press that button, instantly at 500. But some of y'all are greedy with them likes, dude. I don't know why. And you already know. These people have been in the chat box for a while. They all start calling where they're watching from. This is what I love to see, boys. Oh, man. I'm so happy to just get a chat of people that always come back. Oh, man. This is good stuff. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about the entirety of the next few months, man. I only like because you called me a scroungy mother and I have a... You're sick. Go get yourself some help. You're crazy. Absolutely crazy. Get help, brother. All right? There's places for people like you. Asylums. Get yourself treated. All right? I'll give you 20 XRP to get yourself checked out, maybe. Maybe I should do that. Oh, man. Oh, let's see. So, $2.40 something per XRP. Whoa. H-bar is going nuts. You know that I made a video explaining why this buy, by the way, but the video is not live because I decided to stream. So I'm sorry for you guys if you're not able to buy in right here. I made a whole video explaining why I'm buying here, but the video is going to go live in like the moment I'm done streaming. So I'm sorry for everybody who wanted to get the same buy-in price as me. Oh, damn. Anyway, we'll talk about it. It's still fine. It's okay. Okay, I kind of messed up there. Brothers, H-bar is going nuts. Recon Scout is also back. This guy must... Oh, camera stuck? I see. Camera's broken. Recon, you can see the difference in energy right now, right? Hey, anybody, what time you guys are watching from right now? For me, it is about 7 a.m. Dubai time. Who's watching this in the nighttime? Some of y'all are watching this in the daytime. No, that's not that cool. Who's watching this nighttime, right? Full on night. Who else is with me here in the freaking 5 a.m. trenches? We got a 5:07. We got a 5 p.m. 2 a.m., 2 a.m. Okay, that's bearable, right? 2 a.m. We got a 1 a.m. We got a 1 a.m. Okay, we got some okay numbers. 1 a.m. in the UK. You guys are still, you know, you're okay, but it's like, it's not like you're in my level right now, right? Who does this, right? Is there more people that stream XRP like this, that religiously? Am I the only one who talks about HBAR and all these things and streams at whatever time of the night? I told you guys, if the price goes crazy, I don't care what time it is. I'm live streaming that bit, unless I'm sleeping. But again, right now the price kept going crazy, so how can I go to bed? Maximilian says, here is about 1 point. You know how depressing that is, that $2.50 right now doesn't buy me like 5 XRP, but buys me like 1? Little like for you, my friend. It's 2 a.m. for him, huh? All right. Yeah. Respectable. It's Sunday. Some of y'all have to work. So from that perspective, whoever's watching at 4 a.m. and you've got work tomorrow, you are a special type of human. I mean, I would like to tell you, go to your boss and tell him to screw off. But I mean, you don't know where the price is going to go tomorrow. Maybe what? Oh, wow. HBAR just keeps going crazier. Man, I said, if XRP goes back to 25 cents, I'll buy like crazy. It just keeps going up more and more. No. Any thoughts on this coin? No, I don't know the coin, my friend. I don't have any clover. Did the CEO speak yet on 60 Minutes? No, it's going to happen in like a few weeks or maybe a few months. 60 Minutes always takes a long time before the interview. I made a whole video on it, dude. Go check my channel. Go take a look at that video. XRP Queen says, I'm not sleeping tonight. I work from home and will be trading all day. So XP Queen, I just made a video on what new things I'm buying. Again, this account right here. These are the things I just bought, but the problem is I didn't post the video because I wanted to stream right now, and so I'm sorry for y'all. Oh man, this is so stressful to watch, man. I can't sleep anymore, man. I guess that's gonna be very old news by the time they air it. No, it's always done in a neutral way. Those 60-minute interviews are always kind of neutral, but they edit it, takes some time, all that stuff. Pancho says, this is what we've been waiting for. It's the move, but it's not what we've been waiting for. Like the real move for XRP, the real money maker is going to be once it starts gaining on Bitcoin, but we've still got a couple 100% to gain on that. So, I mean, we're making some dents, sure, but we're still early into the season, brothers. I mean, you got to understand, guys, it might still fall down and take a few more months to recoup because we're still early into the cycle. So please keep that in mind. Maximilian says, just made my boss's 3 months salary in 1 day. Brother, take it easy, all right? Make sure you cash some out then if you want to tell your boss to screw off. Counselor says, sold 20K XP in May. So that is torture, but I keep watching. You're like a little cuck of sorts, I guess, huh? You get rid of it, but you like to still watch. A little strange, but hey, to each their own, right? I'm not sure. I could probably not watch it. I'd probably like rip my eyes out if I'm watching this while I've sold everything. But I get it, man. That must be the worst feeling ever. It must be the worst feeling, dude. Anyway, I don't know if you guys have that feeling too, that it's just going to keep blasting to like $2.75 from here without even going down anywhere. I wanted to go down, like honest truth, I wanted to go back down like 220 at least, get a little crash going and then start blasting. I'm being honest with you, it's too much up. But with the way in which people are aping right now, I'm thinking, man, maybe this is really it. Maybe this is really where we start going absolutely bazooka. Man, I just can't believe it's at $2.50 per XRP. I can't believe it. I really can't. By the way, we're at 1,500 people. I'm going to ask again. Everybody, if you've not pressed that like button yet, let's get it to at least 1,000 likes. If everybody presses that like button right now, we've had 3,000 people stop by the stream. We should be able to get to at least 1,000 likes right now. If you right now, look me in the eye. There we go. If you right now watching this video, if you appreciate the double watches because we're going crazy today, make sure you press that like button right now. And if only you, right now, you watch it right there, you press it, we'll instantly be at 1,000 likes. Hey, 589. Hey, 589. I don't know who did that, but hey, you guys are funny. I like that. Oh man, this is so stressful, dude. 244 per XRP. 243. Thomas has been one of the most, man, this guy. So Thomas, you know that he's been here for years, and he's one of the only people who said, I have like 90% more, 93% of my portfolio in XRP, and I'm proud. And many people always clowned him in the chat for that. Even I said, man, that's too much. Who's laughing now? Thomas must be having a good mother-frickin' day, man. This guy must be laughing to the frickin' bank right now. Thomas, guys in the chat, please. Give a little clap to Thomas. Him having 93% of his portfolio in XRP would have always been a stupid thing in my opinion. But today, man, you are the MVP. You're literally the best trader alive right now. Give him a little like as well. Right there, there's a little like button. Give Thomas a little like. It is a good day to have a portfolio that is 93% XRP. What are the haters thinking? Man, I don't even know what to tell you, brother. You are the man. I don't even know what I should tell you right now. You are literally a freaking genius, apparently. I knew you were smart because you've been around for a long time, but I didn't know you were that good. Holy smokes, you must be feeling good. I hope you are, brother. You deserve it, man. You've been through a lot. We've all been as XRP holders, but you've been through, if you had 93% for years. Man. Neil says, no idea about crypto, but I had a dream to buy XRP and bought it at like 173. Amazing, brother. You must be doing good. How many of you guys have more than, how many of you guys have more than 10% of their portfolio in XRP? I know I should be asking 50, whatever, but I kind of don't want to expose people. You know, I don't want the internet to know what your holdings are. 245, we're back. I just want to ask, like, who has some XRP in their portfolio, at least worth something. You know what I mean? Please don't put the exact amounts. Try to keep the scammers away a little bit. I'm just saying 10% just to get a little glance. And I'm not going to put this in my stream, so it's not going to be eternalized. I'm just going to see it on the side right there. See what you guys are saying. A lot of people are saying 95% XRP, though. That is crazy numbers. Hey, Cigars is in there. Let's see. What does Cigars say? Cigars, I know you're always in here, brother. Let me see. What did you just say? Some of you guys' names I just start to remember, right? After so many years of streaming. In 90, wow. Thomas says, well, I gotta put this in. I gotta show this one. He says, I'm laughing to the bank, going to 10x this super chat if it goes up to $5. You do that, brother. You do whatever you please. $5 in XRP, brothers. Oh, I mean, it's like, it feels like it's a few days away now with the way in which things are going. And that's the crazier part, that I know I should take a step back and realize we're very early in the cycle. We shouldn't get overzealous. By the way, thank you for the 50. I should still say it. Even though you've probably made $7 billion today, so this is nothing to you. You still gave a random person on the internet $50. So I still got to say thank you for that. You don't have to do that. As you all know, literally, I'm never asking for gas for anything. I'll still say thank you, though. I mean, I got to appreciate you. You've been the most consistent person ever, so... You know how many times this guy has given me $5 or 20, I don't even know, and said XRP whatever. Thomas is literally the most consistent XRP person that I've ever met in this chat. And again, the only reason I'm bringing it up is because he's literally oh man, he must be having a good day having so much XRP. Maybe not a lot. I mean, I don't know how much you got. All right? Don't tell me, please don't put it in the chat box, but just percentage wise. Because, I mean, even for me now, percentage-wise, I don't know. But it's a pretty good portion of my portfolio right now is XRP. And one other funny fact, if I'm looking at my ledger right now, right? The funny part is that it's just XRP that is... I've never made as much money as I have today. Do you know that? I've literally never had more... Oh, my God. I've never made as much money in a day as I have today. I've never seen anywhere close to the numbers which we're seeing right now. Ah, man. And I said before, $10 XRP is like FUD. It's like low. Maximilian says, made my first 5 digits this month, so I don't know how to feel. I'm happy for you, dude. I'm very, very happy for you. We all got to start somewhere, brothers. And you know what is also so satisfying? I'm going to get a, oh, 246. Oh, boys, my pants are so freaking soaking right now. Oh, no, man. I can't handle this anymore. It's not like I'm even close to crying or anything like that, by the way. It's not like I'm that type of emotional. It's just a, how can things be this good? No. No, things are going way too freaking good, man. Things are going way too good. 247. No. I'll repeat. The reason I'm saying no, I'm a bit down low, huh? You know, the reason I'm saying no is because this is the start of the season. If we're going to $2.50 now, I can just imagine where we're going to end up over the next few months. Holy smokes. You guys are saying check H-bar? Let's take a look. Where's it? Oh, I'm a god freaking trader, bro. Look at that. Look at our buy-in. That's a little side note. By the way, if you want to trade, also check out Blowfin. Link is down below. I'm a freaking demon on this. Look at that, huh? Look at where I bought in and look at where we went just now. I said, man, you'll see the video in like half an hour. It's going to be too late to buy H-bar, I guess, but the rest, the other two. No, actually, H-bar, I think I posted in the video an hour ago, matter of fact. I think it's actually in the, I'm going all in video, which is coming out when I'm done with this stream. I think that I actually only opened ADA and Doge in that video, and the H bar is actually in the XP video that I already published like an hour ago or 2 hours ago. I don't know. So anyway, let's continue on. Keep in mind how long XRP has been suppressed, brother. I know. All right, I've made 5,000 videos, so I know. I think I've made at least 2,000-3,000 videos on XRP. Any non-financial advice on swapping SOL into XRP? No. I don't, because that is, brother. I mean, if you're swapping it now, a lot of people are swapping it back because XRP just completely destroyed Solana. This is H-bar, by the way, if you're wondering. But look at that freaking entry, right? I'm a freaking beast. We gotta quickly give a little, we gotta give a little top for what is due, right? Boys, I mean, come on. Come on. That is freaking clean, no? I mean, that is pretty freaking clean. I'm looking at the price right here. In the video, you see me say, no, I'm going to wait for a lower entry. Price goes lower, and I buy it. I mean, that's pretty freaking clean if you ask me. Then it skyrockets up like that. Anyway, so let's see here. No, 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 no. No, this is not happening. $2.49 per XRP. And the XRP trade is in about 54,000 worth of profit. 55, I don't know. No way. I must be dreaming, boys. I think I am dreaming. I think there must be something wrong. No. Nah. Nah. $2.50 per XRP, which we barely just didn't hit. Nah. Nah. And by the way, boys, if you're not subscribed yet, you know I'm consistent, right? Nobody's as consistent as we are. Make sure you put that freaking notification bell on. Brothers, have we just entered alternate reality where things just can't go wrong? And by the way, while I'm doing this, I'm actually thinking of just opening another XRP long with like everything, like sell a house or something. So if you're asking me, should you sell now? It depends on how well you're doing. If you have life-changing amounts of money right now, you might as well sell something, right? Because it's life-changing to you. So then, yeah. If it's nothing to you, then why would you sell? Because we know where we're headed. Then again, boys, I mean, we have bought XRP for so dirt cheap. A lot of people are at a 10x right now. If you're satisfied, it's fine to sell a good chunk of it. Enjoy life. Jessica says, remember you have some sisters here too. Yeah, but you know, I mean, those 3 women in the chat, I think we have like 95% men. All right, I mean, 95%, 94% boys, 1% real men who are able to hold and not ask questions. Just kidding, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've not done it yet, we've got about 2,500 people watching. Let's get those likes up to 1,000. Every single person, if you're watching this right now, press that like button because we're at $2.50 in XRP. Can you understand that? I've not, you see, I've not even switched shirts. We've been in this shirt for like the whole day, looking at freaking boys. If you've not done it yet, just press that freaking like button right now. We are at basically all-time, we're not at the all-time high, but basically all-time high prices for XRP. How dare you? How dare you come in this stream and not go crazy on that button? The moment you entered, you should have pressed it instantly. Click. Why? Because what in the world am I seeing with these prices? And you guys are seeing the same motherfucking prices right now. So the fact that you're, it makes me want to punch a tree, dude. Anyway, I will keep reminding people, nobody knows where it's going now, all right? I'm saying 275, I've said that for a while. But to be honest with you, I didn't expect it to be this fast. I expected it to go like that over the next few weeks or something like that. Dusty, play some hype music? No. I want just you, me, and the sound of silence. I want no music. I want no pump it up song. I want nothing except for just me with my thoughts, you guys with your thoughts, us combined looking at this. Because I literally do not need any distraction. I need no music. This right here. You can, I don't know how this would sound, but this is basically, I can hear every single note right now in my ears. Just the sound of profit, right? That's kind of something I'm hearing right now. I feel some strange vibrances from whatever is going on in that chart right there. I don't know exactly what it is, but I'm feeling it. I need no other sound right now. EOS is going off too. I am never buying EOS again. You cannot bait me to buy EOS. Never talk about EOS in my chat. I'm never buying any motherfucking EOS again in my life, dude. That was the worst cryptocurrency ever. Flexzone says, bro, Pump It Up has been on repeat for the last hour in my house on blast. I get that. I very, very, very much get that, my brother. Holy smokes, dude. The mosque started just to call for prayer again, I can hear. Oh, man. Boys and gentlemen and ladies, everybody. All right, let's not discriminate again. Where y'all watching from right now? We got about 2,500 hyped up motherfrickers in the chat. I actually didn't even want to stream. I was like, let me go to bed, or should I look at the price and maybe open a stream? And then I saw the price went from whatever it was at to $2.40. I was like, you know what? I got to quickly stream it just to talk about $2.40. And we actually just hit $2.50 this stream. No. Oh, man, I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. You know how many years this has taken of laughter? You know, at every event I've ever gone to, people always called me the XRP guy and they laughed in my face. I said, don't worry, I think we'll do well. And they always said, oh, you really think? And now, you know how many people have texted me throughout the last few weeks like, oh, see, you were right. You'll see, though. Ah, man, too many damn years. But finally, we're there. Man. No, boys, are we first place on Blowfin P&L right now? No way. Don't hype me up like that if it's not true, my brother. We were number 4 just now. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. No motherfucking way. You boys did. That's what I'm saying right now. The team is in number 1 on the entirety of freaking Blowfin. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, who of you boys is putting in these numbers right now? Oh, boys. Our team are literally the number 1 traders in the world on Blowfin right now. I am spazzing out. I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. Man, this is... we're getting out of... man, this is just insane. I'm going to take a screenshot. Oh, no way. We're number 1. Boys, the team is getting 12 bans, which is good. Volume-wise, we could do better. We made it to top 25 as well. That's good. We're making steps. We need more traders. Blowfin link down below. Our team is winning 12.5 bans. Good. We're number 1 in the entire motherfreaking world with our trading team. That is nice. That is nice. Some of you guys are pushing these numbers up, though. Oh, man. I guess a lot of our team was trading XRP, huh? And oh, no, boys. You know the funny thing? It's not looking as if it's going to stop anytime soon. But I kind of want it to stop. Call me freaking crazy, but it's been going way too freaking exponential. Oh, man. Does that mean Blowfin is a scam? What are you talking about, my dude? Because we're number 1 in the world? I told you, man, we don't play. We're actually really quite good over here. Many people went crazy on XRP, and XRP just kept on going up. How can you tell it's not going to stop? Oh, no. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying it looks as if it's not going to stop, meaning every single time I look back, it just keeps going crazier and crazier. And the curve, as you can see, is exponential, meaning in this case, just an exponential curve. I don't know what else to tell you. That does not mean it's not going to stop, right? I'm not your financial advisor. It can literally just go down from here, like right now. It could. Because $2.50 is a major psychological barrier. If you want to sell and buy back, for example, $2.50 could be a good level because a lot of people will tend to sell at that exact level and then try to buy back, for example, maybe wherever, right? I'm not saying where to buy back. I'm just saying this is logically where a lot of people probably sell and they try to buy back cheaper. We have flipped Tether though officially, yes. Again, I'm not being your advisor. I'm not saying you should sell here and buy back cheaper. I'm just saying logically, a lot of people would do that. So yeah. But even now, it's already back at 247, so you could have had a little flip right there. If you're trading with a lot of leverage, this really matters a lot. If you're trading with low leverage, then it doesn't matter that much. A few cents here and there doesn't matter. But a lot of leverage, this can be very, very significant. You guys are saying we flipped Tether. We flipped Tether like 10 cents ago, my dude. It feels like we flipped Tether ages ago. Hey, by the way, you see, I'm a freaking god of a trader sometimes when it comes to these things. Boys, am I sometimes a freaking genius? Nah, I'm not going to toot my own horn. I'm just saying, when you get into this game for such a long time, you realize what major psychological barriers are, right? So you guys are saying you jinxed it. No, please understand, all I'm doing, we cannot influence the chat. We're way too little people. It doesn't matter. All I'm telling you guys right now is I only want literally what's best for every single one in this chat, right? You guys all know it. Major psychological barriers: $1, $2.50, $3 because of the all-time high, the all-time high itself, $5. All these levels matter. They're all harder to get over, which is why I put a line there saying, hey, this is maybe a proper top to kind of sell at for a little bit. It doesn't mean we won't just get over there in like 5 minutes. I just said, hey, maybe sell there and buy back cheaper. Right now, you could have bought at 240 back again. Maybe it's going to go down further. Again, boys, let's be real here. We want XRP to crash a bit. If it keeps going, it's going to be unsustainable. Too many people will get hurt to where it might be irrecoverable for a bit because there's going to be a lot of this fear. If XRP goes down a bit, and comes back up, it goes like this, it's sustainable for prolonged periods of time. Long-term mindset. Dusty, you give great advice. Sell some if you need the money. No, my advice is, because I never give financial advice. The only financial advice that I could ever say is, if you are in a position to change your life, change it. If you have a crazy amount of profit and it's literally life-changing, change your life. Don't wait. Matter of fact, the reason I keep saying that is also because, if we take a look, you'll find even the co-founder of Xrp saying that. Here we go. I got it for you. I spotted him saying it today. So somebody said, or he said himself, wait, gotta sneeze. Oh. I didn't know I was not showing you guys my screen, but here we go. I wonder how long I've not been showing my screen for. Sometimes I forget. So this is the co-founder of Xrp, right, and of Ripple. He says, I just officially hit 12 years at Ripple, just as Xrp moves into the number 3 position. Coincidence? Somebody says, don't forget to tell us when to take profits, you know? And he said, I wish I knew. Honestly, if most of your wealth is in cryptos, you really should take profit anytime you have life-changing amounts. And my response to that is, it's very much true. I mean, I have most of my wealth in crypto still, but I also have enough income as to where it doesn't really matter. If you have no income or very little income in comparison to all your crypto holdings, it's fine to just cash out some here and there. Even now, if you want to cash out a good chunk, man, we're at $2.40 in XRP. Like 3 weeks ago, I would have dreamed of a $1.50 XRP. So the fact that you could be able to sell at like $2.50, even just for fun, boys, I'll prove it again. I don't want to keep doing this, but the reason I'm doing it is to prove to people, even now, $2.39, it's high enough. People keep thinking, no, it needs to be high. No, it's okay. You can always try to buy back cheaper, for example. Even right now, if you want to get in right now, you're getting yourself a significantly better entry than what you would have gotten just now. Anyway, my thoughts are right now we are from almost any curve on such a crazy tangent. XRP is being looked up everywhere. The FOMO is a bit too high though. I do expect some people to get flushed out here because they're over leveraging their longs. And that means that people are longing their longs. They keep longing, they keep going crazier because they think it's never going to stop. They keep adding more and more and more at higher prices. But that's obviously a scary thing to do. We can keep it in, I guess. Exponential curve. It's right now fallen. If I were to place a buy anywhere, it'd be 226. In the middle here, I'm not buying anything. I'm still targeting 275, but hey. And boys, this is again why give some credit where it's due. I'm not trying to be that guy that says, oh, did you see I told you so? No, even I don't know. Nobody really knows. All I'm saying is, and I'm always being open and honest with you, this is why you sometimes sell, right? Nobody knows where the top is going to be. Nobody, really nobody does. So whenever you're in life-changing amounts of money, sell some. If you have major psychological barriers, it's always nice to sell some. We all get it. Daniel says, should I sell? It depends on you. I mean, see, I turned $1,000 into 35 and I'm not selling. Why? Because I kind of don't care. I literally don't care. I might lose it tomorrow. Who gives a crap? If your life can change of $30,000, just sell it, man. If you think it's going to go way higher, hold on. If you want to try your luck on the $2.75 XRP, you know, in the next potentially day or so, hold on. If you want to try your luck on the bigger XRP move to what? Like this is our whole theory, right? Maybe $10, maybe $20 in XRP, hold on. If you're too afraid of your price falling by like 50%, sell everything. Oh, but an answer to that, the best answer I can give is know what you hold. So I bought in because I thought, right, that it would probably go to at least $10 a coin. So that's why I always kept buying. And that's what I made every single video on this channel for. I always said the same thing. I am never satisfied unless XRP triples its old all-time high. I think it went to about $3. Let's call it $3.50 back then. $10 minimum for XRP is what we need to see. And I always said that it has to happen or it was all a waste. But every single person I've ever met in real life, I always told them, I think it will do well, bro. I think it's going to go to at least $10, $12 the next run. And they always laughed at me. There's never been a single person, except for at XRP conferences, okay, boom. But there's never been a single person who looked at me and said, hey, you really think so? Well, that's cool, man. I hope so too. Every single person I've ever told this to has told me, this guy, you have a crazy dream or something along those lines. And you see, maybe I have a crazy dream. Maybe I am delusional with $10 in XRP. But to me, it just makes so much sense. And I'm just going to hold on till it happens. And if it doesn't, well, too bad. But I believe it can. And so whenever people say, panic, panic, panic here, you think I could panic just because of a slight move down? Really? You think that's going to make me panic? Really? You think so? Anyway, right now, could have gotten a good little entry again. By the way, if you're a good trader, you can sometimes scoop yourself up some juicy, juicy trades right here. Look at that, huh? Look at how, just for reference, by the way, we went back to these previous prices and bounced right back up. Look at that, huh? Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful how that just went. Anyway, I hope somebody actually listened and sold at 250 like I said. Right now, there might actually be another, just to put it into perspective, it might actually be another few times going like this before we go maybe to our 275. But again, nobody really knows. It's all based on probability. I'm just saying these are psychological barriers that people hold quite dearly. And on this side, well, we just see that we bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, like 5, 6, whatever times, then actually bounced back, acting as support. So we expected this also to act as another support again. I didn't actually look at it properly though, because this is a 1-minute chart. This is not something you usually do analysis on. I'm just showing you for reference, usually what we do on a zoomed out frame. This is just for fun to look at because, wow, H-bar's been going nuts. Because we want to see the 1-minute time frame and just see the action. Generally speaking though, if anything is below 4 hours, maybe 1 hour time frame, but otherwise it serves no real purpose. It's just for fun that we're doing that. So these lines that I'm drawing, they don't really mean that much. Then again, they do hold some weight every now and then. Will it flip ETH? I mean, XRP in the past was above Ethereum by a long shot. So it could. There's nothing you can tell me that makes me believe that XRP could not flip Ethereum. If you're telling me or asking me, is it gonna? Well, I mean, a brother can hope, right? But I'm not 100% sure because Ethereum has pivoted themselves a lot. And like right now, Lee says, all this movement is retail sales, institutional, after U.S. legislation, legitimized crypto XP. Institutional will kick in and out, will absolutely explode. I do believe some crazy institutional wave for XRP is still yet to happen, though. We've not really seen it yet. This is mostly just hype, like I just showed you with these Google Trends. But like real craziness, I don't know, man. We've not really seen it just quite yet. This is crazy, but not real crazy. Somebody says, I'm screwed. Did you buy the top? Did you sell the bottom? What happened? Somebody says, oh, he just said, I've just bought at $2.50 and now I'm down. So people who buy at major psychological barriers, you're always a special breed to me. So if you buy the moment it crosses it, I get that because you're buying the breakout. If you're buying just before, if I'm doing it, it's because I'm basically hoping that that's going to be the breakout candle. But then what you then do, right? If that's the case, if you want to buy this breakout candle, you want to buy this. You buy after you, for example, let's say now we go back to, this is one of the most common strategies for crazy amounts of profit. Listen carefully. You don't buy it the first time it hits 250 because that's crazy. You buy it either the second time or the third time that it hits it. With the idea, I've done this for a lot of trades, by the way. It worked beautifully. Even this Cardano trade was a trade just like that. It's up 1,700% right now. You buy it the third time, for example, because you're hoping that this time around is going to break through, especially if your general chart has been looking like this and it keeps going against the same level. You try to buy it, for example, this third time, hoping that it's going to break through. Yeah, maybe you fail. But then if you fail by buying in, for example, right there, you buy again the moment it gets to whatever barrier it goes to because you're still expecting the breakout to occur. If you're not, you might as well just sell it off like the moment it starts bouncing back down and then just buying back cheaper. But what I do is if it goes multiple times, I'd probably just average my way in slightly further down. That's what I would do. But if you're buying at $2.50, you're a maniac, my brother. Now you have to hope you can DCA. DCA is the only freaking list of words you need in bull markets. If you know how to properly DCA and you don't become crazy wealthy this cycle compared to what you are at right now. I mean, if you're starting with $1,000 and you're not able to turn it back into like 20,000 or something over a run, that is ridiculous to me because it's so easy. It doesn't mean it's going to be easy mentally, but in terms of the actual numbers, it's not actually that hard. You might need to get a little bit lucky that you're not at the absolute worst of timings. But generally, because I mean, it could be that you bought and exactly from there, it only goes down for like 4 months because that is hard mentally, right? But you can see us right here. I'm not saying this is easy to replicate, even though I literally did it on stream, so it is kind of easy. We turned $1,000 right now into $35,000, right? We turned this $1,000 into $22,000. We turned this $3,000 into $18,000. You turned this $85 into $1,500. I mean, the proof is in the freaking pudding here. We turned $50 into $250. We turned $250 into $3,500. I mean, we've done that all on stream here. So anybody telling me it's impossible, we're at the start of the cycle. We're still going to, in my opinion, 10x from here. So from that perspective, if I was able to turn this into some, oh man, Bitcoin's still passing exactly as expected. Man, if Bitcoin right now, which is doing well, if Bitcoin goes on a run here, we could have something really interesting for ourselves, boys. Could be really, really interesting. Then again, like I said, if Bitcoin still goes for a couple X from here, and like I said before, XRP goes on a runner versus Bitcoin, which again, on the short term, it might start shaking out a little bit. Things could get really, really juicy. But I will always keep saying, boys, if you're in a crazy amount of profit right now, even I'm not a type of person that will claim, yes, we're going to go here for sure. We're going to go. All we did is average our buys into XRP for many years. We have a juicy price. We buy coins when they're doing well because they're going to probably do better. And I explain to you guys what I'm doing, all right? And I'll make crazy sums of money doing it because I've been doing it for 3 motherfucking seasons. I know how to make money. And all I'm telling you guys is what I'm doing. Nowhere in this journey or story am I telling you that copying me is smart, because I'm a freaking crazy guy. I don't care if I lose everything tomorrow. I don't care, because I am so freaking convinced I'll be able to 10x everything that it's all good, because I've done it many times in the past. And I remember that if you're just kind of delusional, the bull run is where everything is made. The bull run is where everything is made. The bull run is where everything is made. But the moment you start being too careful, oh, okay, I should do, you make no motherfucking gains. We're early into all of this, in my opinion. So I'm just holding on like a madman. Anyway, boys, before I answer any more questions, we need to get those likes up. We've got 3,200 people watching, which, by the way, is ridiculous, the amount of people that are watching these streams. Let's get this up to at least like 1,500. So everybody that's watching this right now, let's get it up to 1,286, matter of fact. If you're watching this right now, again, look me in the motherfucking eye, all right? I got to do this more often. Sorry, guys, I'm crashing out. Sorry. I don't know what's going on, right? Maybe it's the... Just kidding. Make sure you press that like button, all right? Okay? This is like a pact between you and me right now. The moment you enter a stream, a video, I want you to press that button because it helps the stream out. It gives me no money. If you're worried about that, it gives me nothing. Matter of fact, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway to our team, but I might double it. I might do it $2,000 because we're doing so well. But you got to make sure you press that like button to support the freaking channel, because we have never seen prices this high. And some person would say, oh, but Dusty, we're falling. Well, screw that. We've never seen prices this high. I'm crazy excited. I hope you are too. Press that button because hopefully it helps the streams perform. Anyway, boys, I still think we're in for like at least, I'll say it again. I think if we're looking at the, okay, let me grab a price range. If we're looking at the whole thing, right, we don't need to get back on Bitcoin's terms, the whole thing. If we just get about half. If we just get about half, for example, just half, right? We get about 400% worth of gains or something like that. Let's just say right here. In Satoshi, you can see what the amount is. That doesn't really matter. It's just the idea that it's 420% gains just versus Bitcoin to get back to some of these old points. You know what? Let's go back to the highest monthly close on XRP versus Bitcoin, which is about a 5x from here. I mean, a 5x from here is $10 per XRP. And that would not even move with Bitcoin. So meaning Bitcoin just stays at $100,000. We can still 5x from here and just get back to these old January 2018 prices. Just 5x from here, right? It could go way higher. I'm just saying like a base layer, 5x versus Bitcoin, not that crazy. And then if Bitcoin goes to like 300,000, that means a 15x, which means a $30 XRP. I'm not saying it's going to hit that. I'm just saying my own target is like $10 in XRP, $12, and I'm very, very happy. But I'm keep on saying why like $20 in XRP. It's not that big of a prediction. A lot of people always laugh at people's faces when they say $20 in XRP. But in reality, it's not that crazy. I'm not sure it's going to happen, right? I'll never be the one to tell you that, but I'm saying it's not that crazy. And the reason I keep my XRP positions open is mostly because I think even $10 in XRP is kind of low. It's like, Somebody says H bar pump too fast. What's going on? Man, this entry still, I'm going to write this down in like the freaking history books, man. This is like a freaking the cleanest entry I've had in a while. And then for XRP, this sell idea, because it didn't actually properly sell, right? Because I'm a little whiny ass. This sell idea at $2.50, we got to... We got to put that down as well. You guys were all here. It was $2.50 when I said, hey, you might want to sell now because major psychological barrier, and boom, fell down. This bottom we did not predict, so I can't call that one. And also, my predictions are worth nothing. This is just for fun. I'm just giggling around with you guys. Ultimately, many of you guys' guesses are as good as mine when it comes to all this. I base things on probability. For example, the probability of going back towards $2.50 here. What is that? Is it higher or lower than going down? What do you guys think? Well, again, we probably have to bounce off of this first. Maybe we bounce twice. But the way in which we've been going right now, with all the momentum, the trends and everything, it just seems that the bulls are too strong here to give up. But I'm not going to be the person to tell you. I'm just worried that I'm going to go to bed right now and wake up at $2.75 per XRP. I'm not really worried about waking up at like $2.15. I'm fine with that. I'm afraid that I wake up and XRP is at just some ridiculous price. I'm a little bit afraid of that. Wait a minute. Let me see my order real quick. Man, imagine if all these orders actually fell through, huh? A lot of these orders, they didn't go through. Kind of sad about that. Some of these. Anyway, so this closed the long. Why is it at 240? Why am I already cancel that? I don't want to close at 240. That's way too little, boys. 240? Are you ridiculous right now, brothers? Are you crazy? Let's see here. I'm just looking funny here. Man, you know that my Solana position got liquidated for, when was that? Oh yeah, by the way, so a little fun fact, right? This is just for fun. What do you guys think my win rate is on the positions that I open? Because I told you guys I have a interesting way of trading that basically is so good for bull markets that... Anyway, what do you guys think? What do you guys think my win rate is at? What do you guys think? This is on Bybit, right? So I think I think you'll be surprised. Brothers, whoever said 25%, you're banned. All right? Boys, you're talking to... Boys, come on. Hey, everybody, have a little faith in your boy. I'm not saying this is good, by the way. I'm not saying this is bad. I just never give up. I've only once gotten liquidated on this account, on Solana. Which was just because I was transferring money, but that was on August 4th. I was transferring money, but I was on vacation, as you guys know, with the pool and stuff, because I filmed in there, and I couldn't get enough money in a time. So if you're wondering why this is, I explained it in the channel. It's not hard to never sell at a loss. You could just keep opening swing. I mean, take a look, right? For example here, if we just, whatever we enter, right? We enter right there, 250. Oh, too bad. We open more at $2.30. If it goes down more, we open more, we open more. We keep freaking long of the freaking longs, right? We keep making sure our position gets bigger. Well, as of that point, I mean, it's in my opinion, kind of... Oh, camera stuck again. It was too much fire that I was spinning right there. It's kind of hard to lose. So you might be asking yourself, why did you get liquidated? I will tell you once more, because some people maybe didn't understand. Because you need to make sure you don't get liquidated as if prices move down a lot. And August 4th was like an awful day. All right. But it was not a big loss. It was only a couple tens of thousands of dollars. So it's not that bad. But I'm just thinking, if I had kept it open now, I think I got liquidated at $100 per soul. If I was able to buy that freaking dip like I wanted to, it was just like, I think it was 4 a.m. I'm sweating my ass off. I'm trying to deposit another couple $100,000. It's not working. Oh, no. Maybe my ledger password is not working. Oh, no. Because at some point, if things go down hard, you need to, wait, let me grab it real quick. So it was August 4th. Okay, this Solana chart is absolutely rigged. This Solana chart is completely rigged. I think it's Solana. Wait a minute. Let me find it on Bybit. Let's go find it. Let's go find our Solana mistake. But that chart is rigged. Oh, here we go. So, but because Solana right now, you might be asking yourself, this whole Solana trade that we've got in right now, it's all a mistake, right? I had way more or different orders open, but I screwed up. Here, it went to about $1.09 on August 5th, and that wrecked me. Can happen to the best of us. Let me see, to be exact. Yeah. Anyway, can happen to the best of us. Sad but true. What are we at right now for XRP, boys? Let's see. 237. Not bad. Oh shit, my camera is empty. Oh no, I forgot. So let's quickly take a look at this chart here. Where's the chart? No, I forgot that I was gonna do a stream. I didn't think I was gonna do another stream this night. So I took my charger out. Let's see. Give me a second. Where is? Also blowing my nose at the meantime. Okay, there we go. Okay, is the camera back in action? Let's try. Maybe. Yeah, we're back. Okay, good. Anyway, boys, I think it is 6 a.m. I'm going to post that video on me buying in. Even though it's a bit late, some of you guys might not be happy with that, that I'm posting the video after I already bought. But it's just, we just got unlucky, man. I mean, you guys got to respect the fact that the XP price went so crazy that I prefer to stream with all of you freaking legends instead of posting a video of why I'm going all in or buying. But in the video, I will explain a couple of key concepts about buying, what I just always go for. And so if you're wondering, it'll be on there. I have no course. I have nothing to sell you. So just understand what you could do is if you want to join our team, link is down. Oh man, why do I keep freezing up? Why does it always happen at like the worst shots as well, right? Man, I want to say what you could do. So if you want to join our team, link is down below. The more you trade, the more rewards you get as well, which is pretty cool. And I'm giving 1,000 or hopefully, I'm going to ask him for 2 bands, right? Right now I'm giving you guys $1,000 tomorrow or the day after, depending on how things go. Especially if we are able to sustain this team, if we stay in the #1 lead, man, I'm going to give you guys a lot of money, all right? We're going to do a crazy giveaway if that's the case. If we are able to get #1 and we win 12,500, right? It's split over the team, by the way. So it's not like I get to decide who gets it. It's just split over the team. Whoever's participating, whatever share they've got, if they're working for it, they'll get some money. So you'll see. But if we're able to get to #1, I'll do another couple $1,000s for the giveaways. I don't know, man. Just we got to feed our team. We got to keep it up. Our team is getting stronger by the day. Oh man! But I guess XRP pumping has a little bit to do with it. I mean, XRP is in some of the craziest levels we have ever seen. But still, boys, look at that, huh? Our team is thriving right now on Blowfin. Link is down below to Blowfin if you also want to join our team. I just made a video on what trades I'm taking and why I'm taking them. So if you want to know why I took this H-bar trade, just take a look at least the other 2, which by the way, looked bad the moment I opened them. Anyway, you'll find them on my channel. I'm going to upload that video like right now, like right now. So the moment that this stream is done, you will find another video on my channel talking about me going all in. Just understand if the H-bar trade is not in there, it was because I accidentally put it in the other video. But just know I'm basically buying all these altcoins. There's more that I did not show in the video. And the main reason I am doing that is in reality because I personally think if the bull market's here to stay, which it most likely is, I'm going to regret more not just going crazy than whatever I would lose. And if I keep buying in, I'll be fine anyway. But yeah. All right, boys. What's with my being in Dubai? What's going on? You smoked some Toda? I didn't even know what Toda is, to be honest with you, my bro. Like, to be completely honest with you. And yes, I am in Dubai. H-bar 40% up. Yes, it's crazy numbers that we're seeing right now, boy. Oh, you mean on the trade? That we're up 150% in like, what? 1 hour? So we turned our $250 into Man, you see, I put $250 in. Right now, it's in $400 worth of profit. We put $500 in. It's $100 worth of profit. Put $500 in. It's $100 worth of profit in a few hours. People keep thinking, oh, it's impossible. It's impossible. Well, let the results speak for themselves. Boys, I want you guys to go over to the new video, which I'm about to drop right now. The first person to leave a comment, I'll remember your name. I'll edge it, and I might tattoo it right here on my chest. So the first person to be the first person to like, you know, maybe I'm gonna, you know what I mean? And girls, boys and girls, everybody, right? We don't discriminate. Everybody, cats, dogs, whatever you guys are, I don't give a crap. Go watch the video. It's gonna come out in a few minutes if you want to. Craig says, Dusty, I made you 20, you made me 21. I didn't make you anything, man. It's all you making your own money, my brother. So all credits to yourself. At the end of the day, it's you making all the choices, not me. I could just say what I'm doing. It's you doing all the hard work, brother. Keep that in the back of your head. Also, you know, also remember that if you ever make a loss. Boys, it was amazing. We streamed for an hour. It's 6 a.m. I gotta head out. Price is right now not breaking the freaking rent. Oh no, Doge is pumping though. Doge is pumping. Doge is pumping. We're doing good. We're doing good. Doge is pumping. That's nice to see. H-bar pumping. That's amazing. XRP still in a juicy spot though. I mean, 239. It's not bad. But I gotta head out. Check back on that video though, right? I want one of you guys to be the first, right? One of you guys in the stream needs to be first on that video, dropping in about, okay, I'm going to drop it in a few minutes because now I'm going to drop it right now. All right, boys, drop in the video right now. The first person there, you win. See you guys.